Clothes.
Coat.
Coat.
The woman wears a coat to keep warm.
Shoes.
Shoes. The player is tying his shoes. Pants.
Pants.
The members of this military marching band all wear white pants.
Slippers.
Slippers.
Do you have barehead slippers at home?
Coat.
Coat. Shoes.
Shoes.
Pants.
Pants.
Slippers.
Slippers. Dress.
Dress.
The little girl spins around in her flowered dress.
Scarf.
Scarf. The lady waves her scarf at the seashore.
Belt.
Belt.
Belts go
Shirt.
around our waist to hold our pants in place. The woman in a purple shirt is dancing cheerfully. Dress.
Dress.
Scarf.
Scarf.
Belt.
Belt.
Shirt.
Shirt. Skirt.
Skirt.
Skirts are often used in cheerleading uniforms.
Socks.
Socks.
My grandmother is knitting me some socks. Skirt.
Skirt. Socks.
Socks.